Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are examining Hunter.io and Klenty AI. It is going to be the ultimate who's better at stalking your leads showdown. Let's be real. Sales outreach is like dating, but with more rejection and fewer free drinks. You need tools that help you slide into prospects' inboxes without looking desperate. Enter Hunter.io, the email detective, and Klenty AI. Klenty AI, the robot wingman. But which one deserves your credit card? Let's handle this like civilized people. Yes, with comparison and sarcasm. Let's get started. When it comes to the category of email finding, Hunter.io uncovers emails like your nosy neighbor, while Klenty AI relies on you having leads first. So who's the winner? Hunter.io. Sherlock wins. When it comes to cold outreach, Hunter.io just finds emails. You still have to write them. Why? Klenty AI automates emails so you can nap. So who's the winner? Klenty AI. Lazy wins. Moving on to accuracy. When it comes to accuracy, Hunter.io has 80% hit rate, which is better than Tinder matches. While Klenty AI sometimes writes like a drunk Shakespeare. So Hunter.io is a winner because precision matters. When it comes to automation, Hunter.io manual work equals to sad sales rep, while Klenty AI follows up 17 times, so you don't have to. So the winner is Klenty AI. Robots are greater than humans. That's what they think. Moving on. When it comes to price, Hunter.io is free for light stalking. I meant, you know what I meant. Then, when it comes to the con, it pays for itself if you close deals. So who's the winner? Hunter.io, because it gives you cheap trails. Let's go to the creep factors. Creep factor. You see, Hunter.io will tell you, I found your CEO's AOL account for 2024. Why? Klenty AI will say, your AI email just called them. Hey! And their name. Imagine that. The email will call them and say, hey! And inside their name, let's say their name is like John. Hey, John! Creepy! So who wins the creep factor? They both do. It's a tie. Because both of them are kind of sketchy. So what's our final verdict? Who wins? If you need emails, Hunter.io is like LinkedIn on caffeine. If you need automation, Klenty AI is your personal robot spammer in a good way. So in summary, what am I saying? Hunter.io is like the FBI agent of email finding, while Klenty AI equals the overcaffeinated intern who won't stop emailing. So, P.S. if you use both, you either close deals or get blocked by an entire industry. There's no in between. I see unsure? Flip a coin. Heads, Hunter.io. Tails, Klenty. If it lands on the edge, maybe try carrier pigeons. Hope you found this video helpful.